So hello guys and welcome to my new video, and this is the HTML tutorial 2. So today in this video we are going to learn about heading tag. And guys, if you haven't watched our previous first tutorial video, then please I'm requesting you to watch that video to understand this one. So please, I will put the link in the description, or I will put the iCard in my video, so you can just easily be you can just easily watch that video. So okay, now today in this video we are going to talk about heading tags. So what is heading tag in HTML? So okay, let's start. So basically this is the sublime text. If you install this one, then you will see this interface like this. So first of all, what you have to do is just click on Ctrl plus S. You have to just save this one in HTML text. So okay, this one is my practice file, so I was just practicing before this one. So okay, let me show you how you can create HTML files. So okay, give any name to it. So I'm giving it YouTube tutorial. It's in short form, sorry for that. .html. So guys, you have to write .html, and it will detect by Chrome or any browser easily. So yeah, you just have to type .html in after writing your file name. So okay, just let's save this file. Okay, save one. So yeah, just we have just saved our file. So okay, so guys, there are lots of things to understand before starting HTML. So if you don't know HTML, and if you are a beginner, then you must watch some HTML beginner guide. You can just watch it in Hindi, English, or as any language you want. So just type on YouTube and search for the HTML beginner guide, so you will get lots of result. So basically what I'm going to do today in this video is I'm just going to show you what is head tag. So okay, so let me show you what is head tag. Okay, sorry. So this one is the title tag, which means that, okay, let me show you practically what is title tag. So basically it is okay, as you guys can see here, there is written new tab. Yes, if we will type anything in this title tag, then just suppose I am typing in this Viva, which is the company I'm working on. So okay, this will appear, Indus Viva will appear in this section. In this instead of new tab, Indus Viva will appear there. So as you like to write there, you can just write anything you like. Okay, that will appear in the title layer, title section. Okay, so you have to write your tags in body section. So don't write your tags on here after head or after HTML. So please type your tag after, sorry, within in body section. Okay, so okay, I'm going to show you what is heading tag. So basically there are 6 heading tags which are defined as, let me show you the heading first. This one is the heading first tag, and heading second tag, and likewise there are up to heading 6 tags. Okay, let me fast forward this video so you don't be bored anymore. So guys, as you can see, I have write all the heading tags here. So there is basically S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 and S6. So this S is called heading tag. So basically S1 is the main heading tag, which is, okay, let me show you practically why to talk. Okay, let me type my company name, and if you want to join us in this industry, then you guys can just contact me on the number blinking on the screen. If you want to join us only, please contact on the number blinking on the screen, or I will put the number in my description as well. you guys can just contact me from there. So, and guys, we have another channel called Growth with Viva. I will put the link in description. You guys can check out that channel as well. That is our business channel all about in this Viva. So please make sure to check out that channel as well if you're interested to see business in this Viva, business plans or anything about industry Viva. So okay, I have filled up all the tags with industry Viva. Okay, let me save this file. Okay, I have just saved this file and let me run this in Chrome. Open in browser. Okay guys, see here. So as you guys can see, I gave title industry Viva. Yeah, it is showing industry Viva. Yes, instead of new tab it is showing industry Viva. So this is because I gave industry Viva in my title. So I wrote industry Viva in my title, so that's why that shows up. So guys, as you can see here, the heading 6 tag is too small, smaller than heading 5, and heading 5 tag is smaller than heading 4, and heading 4 tag is smaller than heading 3, and heading 3 tag is smaller than heading 2, and heading 2 tag is smaller than heading 1. So you guys can understand that S1 is the biggest one, S2 is the biggest, smaller than 1, and S3 is smaller than 2. Yeah, basically there are up to heading 6 S6 tags you need to know about, and there are not any others S7 tag. Let me show you. There is no S7 tag. If I write S7, then what will happen? Okay, basically you guys can see there I have just written S7. Okay, let me save this one, and okay, let me refresh this on Chrome. So you guys can see here it's showing industry Viva in its normal language, normal font or normal size. You can say normal size. And if I remove this S7 from here, so okay, I have just saved this one. So I have removed the S7 from my tag, so you guys can see it is showing as it was. So basically it's mean that there is no any S7 tag declared. So there are up to S6 tags which you need to know, and this is very easy to learn. You just need to know what are the uses of these tags. So I will show you that in my further videos. So I think you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then please make sure to like and subscribe our channel, please, and make sure to hit the notification bell as well. Okay, I will come up with new video in my next tutorial. So if you haven't watched our first tutorial, then please make sure to watch that as well and subscribe our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.